Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to make an inventory checklist for your house. Before modern times, and I'm not even saying modern times is in the last 20 years, I'm saying before 5 years ago, most people who lived in areas that were prone to natural disasters like hurricanes, tornadoes, and things like that would write down, walk around their house and write down everything that was of value onto a piece of paper. This is a great idea because you can write these down on one piece of paper, make several copies of it, put one in a safe deposit box, give one to a relative, and make sure to write down anything that that is of value to you. You want to have it on this inventory checklist. Everything, especially when it comes to insurance companies, you definitely want to have the ball in your court in that case. Nowadays, with modern technologies, you can take a digital camera and walk around and snap photos of everything. If you keep the receipts and you know what it is, or you can look at a picture and describe exactly what's in that picture, if you have the photos on a memory card, you're safe. Take the memory card, put it in a safe deposit box, and that's your inventory. Even better is to have a video camera, a piece of video equipment to walk around, and you can point to each thing in your house with the video camera and talk about what it is, where you got it, how much you paid for it, in what year, things like that. There's a few different ways that you can do an inventory checklist, but now in modern times, the easiest way is to use what technology has provided you and save yourself some time. My name's Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you make an inventory checklist.